New pillows I got off of Wish. Well, just the covers, because you can buy you can cover any pillow with these. They got this little zipper. You buy these off of Wish, so you just zip on and get the right size pillow, and you want to make sure they're pointed. Make sure your pillows are pointed. And I thought it went good with this bedspread. Then I got this one. It's more dark and light brown. It's got brown in this. And this one's got brown and blue in it. I wanted two different color pillows. So, this is my husband's bedroom I'm fixing up. He'll be home soon. And anyway, I still want to find a different picture. Sweet Dreams is okay. This one I just put there because it looked naked. Okay? But if I can't find nothing, then that's okay. Anyway, because his drapes are that color, so I put this. This is actually a dark, this is a navy-ish color. That is, it looks black, but it's very, very, okay, you really can't tell. Anyway, and I put him some padding. And see, I changed out this. This was like burgundy, and that didn't go with this room, so I changed that out. So his lamp, I still got to clean up more in here. I got junk everywhere, okay? But it's coming along a little better. And I bought him this. Look what I got under here. Not the cover, y'all. Not this really soft cover. Or this. Or the sheet. We got to get down here in the sheet. See the sheet? And it's got a quilted top. And another quilted top. Well, anyway, this through here, right here, 3.3 inches is memory foam. Oh my goodness, does this bed feel good? My husband likes a soft bed because of his joint pains. So I got it all fixed up for him. So, because he enjoys watching this TV, and he also likes sitting in his chair here. And this is heated. This is heated with vibration. I had to put this here so he could I put the remote in there and stuff. But that table's too far back, and I gotta clean my mess up. This is the lampshade. That's the lampshade that was on it. See, no way that was gonna go with it. So I just got that's all Walmart had. So this is the color. I'd like to have navy, but I guess that was out of the question. This goes with anything. So anyway, I moved next door. And I'm working over here. Try to get this cleaned up for him. Okay, y'all. You like those pillows I got from Wish? Yeah? Well, just the covers. I had the pillows. Anyway, it's what I like buying these off of Wish, because you can see it's got the blue and that brown in there. And so this one don't have no blue in it, but it still goes. I didn't want two blue ones. And this is another sham I had off of something else, because it just needed something else. Okay, y'all. Bye. Just wanted to show you what's going on over here in my Wish pillows. Bye, y'all.